guys. Good morning. I am currently on the Bowl Trail in Acadia National Park, headed to the Beehive. We're just coming up to our intersection where we're going to start going up. Thought I'd take you along. It's a very foggy morning, so we're just taking it slow. It's just after sunrise. You can see the skies, nice and foggy. Got a cairn here. We're gonna go to the right. We want to do the rungs going up rather than down, not break the flow of traffic if there does end up being any traffic. Dogs are not allowed on this trail, and you will see why. I'm sure I will see why shortly. This is my first time at the park. I had a great week here, and just finishing it off with this hike before we have to drive home. All right, see you in a bit. I can hear the ocean out there, can smell it, just can't see it yet. Not sure if this fog will burn off or not, but it definitely adds to the particular atmosphere we have going on here. Little safety there, I guess, for this ledge we're on. Following the blaze. Here's our first ladder section. The blaze, ladders up into the sky. Another ladder. So far everything has been super well placed, kind of just like climbing up a big outdoor jungle gym. There it is. It's only about like a 0.6 hike from the bottom to the top. So I think you gain 500-ish feet at that time. Yeah, see, there we are. And there it is. On our way to overlook the bowl. Still pretty socked in, as you can see. Absolutely loved seeing the bowl in the fog like that, with that one bird sitting there. That was beautiful. I'm not sure if it showed up on the video at all, but there's definitely some boats out in the water, and you could hear them blowing the foghorn. One of them was so loud it scared me actually, but then I got kind of used to hearing it in the distance, so that also kind of added to the ambience of the fog and such. Ugh. Spider web time now. Alright, so we just got to the far end of the loop and we are headed back around. Keep going on the bowl. Down, down, down. There's a ton of trail intersections here. We gotta stay on the bowl trail. That one goes up to Gorham Mountain, I believe. We gotta go down back to the car. So we made it back to where we started our loop. So we just have point 2 back to the road. See these signs here, I'll show you. See how the ground is slanted? I guess that's what they're warning about. Well, we made it back. Thanks for following along. Another video. The next one you should see me back in New Hampshire. But we'll see. Who knows where the adventures will take me.